This is what my ginger looks like right now, okay? That's my ginger, and I've been told that's termite. I thought it was a form of ginger, maybe bee, I don't know that much about it. Now, I get over here. This right here, look, just like that. Notice I cut it off nubby. And look at all the beautiful ginger. Look at it. It's all in there. What I'll do, it takes time, but I'm going to do it. I always do every year. You see these? I'll take that and stand right here and cut it in little bitty pieces and cover that right back up. That will protect that all winter. Now right here, during my termite or whatever it's supposed to be, I've got these thornless blackberry bushes. I hate to cut them out, but I've got thornless blackberry bushes there and over against the fence right there. So I don't really need these messing with my ginger because I'm kind of partial to my ginger. One of the reasons I leave these blackberries here, and I'm debating it, is that right there. You see that? And right there? Every year, I have a family of bluebirds that move in. They'll raise 2 families right here. And these blackberries roll over and protect. It kind of makes them feel, safe. It's kind of like just come on in, you're safe. So that's where we're at with that. The good part about gardening like this, I can leave it lay right there. If you notice it's wet, you can see the dampness. Almost impossible to cut with scissors right now, so it's so soft and mushy. So what I'll do, I started trying to cut it, you can see it. You also see the eggshells and coffee grounds and God knows what else is in there. I'll let this dry in the broad sun 3 or 4 days, maybe a week. I'll come out here and pull it away from my barrels, hit it with the lawnmower, rake it up and put it right back in there. That's how I do my ginger, people, every year. That's how I do my ginger. My blackberries take it pretty good. Now as far as my figs, I got used for that big boy. That freeze hit it 3 years ago. I thought it was dead. So you can see down in there where I chopped it off. Wait, underneath down in there, you can see it. Where I chopped it off. Okay. I figured, well, it's dead. But I left it alone. And you see what it's done. It's shooting out one way and shooting out the other way. That's fixing to change. All that dead wood around that stump right there is gone. And I'll come out here with my chainsaw and I'm gonna do some shaping. Instead of that tree looking like that, I want one main trunk going up. It's hard to cut around it. It's a mess. It don't look good and it aggravates me. Now my asparagus, I'll just do the same thing I do with my ginger over there. Just chop it down, chop it up, and throw it right back in there. Tell you what, people, it is nice to walk out here sometimes when the conditions are right during the year. Pick my asparagus, eat it fresh. Have a few figs, little diet change. Have a few blackberries. Mess around, come right on over here. Go over there and eat a few blueberries. Then out front, eat a few Japanese plums. One more thing. You can see my burn pile. When big limbs fall, I have paper. I'll bring excess bunch of cardboard that I don't want or it's got too much, I just don't need it. I'll come here and burn it. I'm extremely cautious. No plastic. No plastic. I do not burn wood that's been treated. regular old pine boards or oak boards, I throw them in there. The limbs fall off them pine trees over there by my beehives. That's no biggie. I just drag them over here and burn them. Same thing in the front yard. That way, you use that to fertilize. Not a lot, but you can sprinkle a little bit here, there, and yonder, and you will be amazed what it does for your garden. It is not charcoal. That's charcoal. It is, how you say it? Oh, heck, I forgot the terminology. Biochar. That is not biochar.